Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best latex mattresses on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Lucid Latex Mattress. The Lucid Latex Hybrid Mattress is the ultimate sleep dream partner for your bed frame. This mattress will provide you with the perfect combination of comfort and support that you deserve. With a combination of responsive latex, plush memory foam, and supportive coils, this design creates a bed that will help you sleep cooler and enjoy better body support. I run out, so a cooling mattress is super helpful. Besides its cooling design, the individually encased steel coil base and foam provide edge-to-edge support and motion isolation, which means you won't have to worry about any interruptions to your sleep. What we like about it: hypoallergenic, good for hot sleepers, comes in several sizes and thicknesses. What we like about it: might be too firm for some people. Number 2. Sunrising Bedding Latex Mattress. Sunrising Bedding's Latex Hybrid Spring Mattress is designed with your comfort in mind, featuring a 100% natural latex top layer. This brand's strict purity standards ensure that you rest peacefully without any off-putting smells or irritants. This hybrid firm mattress combines natural organic latex and inner spring components to offer a balanced sleep experience, providing comfortable cushioning and conforming for targeted pressure relief. It features 682 premium pocket coils that work independently to alleviate motion disturbance and provide orthopedic effects on the back, waist, and shoulders to relieve numb muscles and joint pain. What we like about it: free of chemical smells, comes in 2 thicknesses and several sizes, has a 20-year warranty. What we like about it: could be too firm for some sleepers. Number 3. Ghost Bed Classic Latex Mattress. Want to revolutionize your sleeping experience? You need the Ghost Bed Classic. With 4 layers of comfort, namely aerated latex, the high-quality cooling gel memory foam, high-density support foam, and the soft, supportive, and springy foam core, this mattress promises to provide you with the best sleep you've ever had. Wake up feeling refreshed and energized every morning, with your spinal alignment improved, hip and back pain alleviated, and stiffness relieved. This mattress is perfect for all types of sleepers, whether you prefer lying on your stomach, back, side, or a combination of all. What we like about it: made of safe materials, comes in many sizes. What we like about it: may be too firm for some sleepers. Number 4. Pure Green Latex Mattress. The Pure Green Organic Latex Foam Mattress is the ultimate sleeping solution for side sleepers, back sleepers, and couples. This medium firm mattress contains 8 inches of Gold certified organic latex foam, ensuring a healthy, comfortable, and supportive sleep experience every night. The quilted cover has the finest organic cotton and organic wool, ensuring breathability, durability, and a nice feel. Designed, quilted, sewn, assembled, and packaged in their Chicago factory, this mattress is GOTS certified organic, Goals certified organic, Fair for Life Fair Trade certified, and Ecotech Standard 100 certified, ensuring the highest level of quality and sustainability. What we like about it: available in sizes Twin California King. Made with organic, natural materials. What we like about it: has a higher price tag. Number 5. Hapsi Organic Latex Mattress. Looking for a healthy and comfortable sleep? Look no further than the Happy Organic Latex Mattress. Made with only the best materials, this hybrid mattress offers the perfect combination of organic latex and encased coils to provide both pressure relief and firm support. You'll be able to rest easier knowing that your mattress is certified by GOTS and UL/Green Guard for low chemical emissions and passes all government flammability requirements. What we like about it: has benefits of both springs and foam. What we like about it: may have a temporary smell after opening. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.